In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Loom to Chrome. Whether you're recording quick walkthroughs or sharing feedback, getting Loom into your browser only takes a minute, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Loom is officially supported in Chrome, and these same steps also apply to other Chromium-based browsers like Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Brave. Next, go to the official Loom page on the Chrome Web Store. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Loom extension with its recognizable logo and a clear Add to Chrome button. Make sure it's the official listing so you get the most secure and up-to-date version. Click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download the extension and add it to your browser. You may see a quick notification confirming that Loom has been installed. After installation, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon. It looks like a little puzzle piece. Find Loom in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Loom button on your toolbar, so it's always one click away when you want to start recording. Now click the Loom icon to set things up. Sign into your Loom account or create a free account if you're new. This connects the extension to your online library so your recordings can upload automatically and generate shareable links the moment you finish. When prompted, allow microphone and camera permissions. Loom needs access to capture your voice and, if you choose, your webcam. Granting these permissions once ensures smooth recording later, and you can adjust them anytime in your browser's settings if needed. You're ready to record. From the Loom pop-up, choose whether to capture your entire screen, a specific window, or a single browser tab. Turn your webcam and microphone on or off depending on the style you want. As soon as you stop the recording, Loom instantly processes the video and provides a link you can copy and share. No downloads or attachments required. That's all there is to it. You've added Loom to Chrome, pinned it for quick access, signed in, and allowed the permissions you need. With Loom in your toolbar, you can create clear, helpful videos whenever you need them and share them instantly with just a link. Thanks for watching and enjoy your recordings.